Solve an equation of the form x plus a is equal to c. Student learning objectives. 1. Additive inverse. 2. Addition principle. 3. Solve an equation of the form x plus a is equal to c. Additive inverse. For a real number a other than 0, the additive inverse is negative a. Example. The additive inverse of 5 is negative 5. The additive inverse of negative 3 is 3. The sum of a number and its additive inverse is equal to 0. For example, 5 plus negative 5. Negative 5 is the additive inverse of 5. So the sum of these numbers is 0. Negative 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Addition principle. For real numbers a, b, and c, if a is equal to b, then a plus c is equal to b plus c. Solve an equation of the form x plus a is equal to b. 1. The equation x plus a is equal to b is solved when x is isolated on one side of the equal sign as x is equal to a constant. A constant, we mean just a number. X equal to a number. 2. To solve, use the additive principle to add the additive inverse of the constant term to both sides of the equal sign. So if we go back, the addition principle says that for real numbers a, b, and c, if a is equal to b, then if we add a real number c to both sides, then the new number that we get, the numbers are equal. A plus c equals to b plus c. So we have x plus a is equal to b. So we add the additive inverse of the number or the constant term that is added, the constant term that is added or subtracted to the variable x. So we have x plus a plus negative a is equal to b plus negative a. So a plus negative a is 0, and x plus 0 is x. This is equal to b plus negative a. Example, solve x plus 3 is equal to 5. So for this, we add the additive inverse of 3 to both sides of the equal sign. So 3 plus negative 3 is 0. 0 plus x is equal to 5 plus negative 3 is 2. So that is the answer. X minus 2 is equal to 10. So we add the additive inverse of 2 minus 2. So this here is the same as x. We can change the minus sign into a plus and then do minus 2. The x minus 2 is the same as saying x plus minus 2 is equal to 10. Next, we add the additive inverse of negative 2 to both sides of the equal sign. Next, minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So x plus 0 is x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 is a solution. Let's check So we go through the process of checking. So we replace x by 12. And when we check, so we have 10 minus 2 is equal to 10. X is 12. 12, we replace x by 12. And we put question mark. And then we have 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 is equal to 10. So this is a true statement. So we have an identity. Therefore, x is equal to 2. X equal to 12 is a solution. So okay. So this is a true statement. If needed, combine like terms before using the addition principle. For example, solve 3 plus 10 plus x is equal to 20. 3 plus 10 are like terms, so we combine them first. So this is 13 plus x is equal to 20. Then we add the additive inverse of 13 to both sides of the equal sign. So we have the additive inverse of 13 is negative 13. So we add it to both sides. Negative 13 plus 13 is 0. 0 plus x is equal to 20 plus negative 13 is 7. X is equal to 7. We need to check. Three plus 10 plus x is equal to 20. So this here is 3 plus 10 plus 7 is equal to 20. Question mark, since we are checking, we are indicating that we are checking. 3 plus 10 is 13. 13 plus 7 is 20. 20 is equal to 20. This is true statement. They're an identity. Therefore, x is equal to 7 is a solution.